Ni priyaso bhai phi shakani ka program jagi menta kasni. Ni dal ringkat bat ni menta I kong Samanda M Panwar. Ni dal ringkat bat ni menta I advocate SK Joshi. But ni dal ringkat bat ni menta I Mr. B Wanswet. The kong Samanda plan bat I clear shpang jopi.
Well, kakitang nga Samanda and nga represent niya ka nga wan na kalyang nyo ka Manhua Foundation mentasi. And hakari ka kam kabangitay menta ngila nga adon menta lakat sa sinem. And ni yaki brio ki kena ki katay ba chirang ki ma ngat hau ni ujing di ba ni ang drugs menta. And ni ay ka services yaki takamot kajing kya joki ni haban pet. Alright, ladang imla abakna ban ong yaki bakin sesedi andre ka jing yakando jongi yaki man kapol ni ay ka counseling. But ngiyo iru baka kadon kinu ki jing say so mo yakabay tribat ki.
Thank you. Mrs. Joshi, may you please introduce?
I am Advocate SK Joshi, practicing lawyer in District Court as well as in Meghalaya High Court. I am staying in Maminson, and several cases of NDPS I have handled and still am handling. So I know the loopholes, failures and success of the cases. So I will able to explain how the NDPS can be handled and dealt with in at the present scenario, which is not only a state of Meghalaya, but even entire India, even internationally also. Entire world are affected with the drugs, the abuse of drugs. So I will say something about that in the course of discussion.
Thank you so much, sir. Mr. B Wanswet pilong pinito ishpay bajmi.
Nga day Mr. Bayalang Prang Wanswet. But nga day SDPO jong kapenusla. Ngalayo bantray hakani kakam kajonga lakumba arwis nam. But kakam kajonga nado kabangas dangi kani kajing tray kalong banginyo ban kem ikibrio kibale ikikam baman. But ikikam be ay. But te hadu kani kaklimat kabamenta hiru. Ngiyay persang yaka kam kajongi. But kam tam lay yakani kakam kabide drugs. Nakale kajongi kipulit. Iya persang ikat bala ban sim ya kani ka benta kanang bagin ang ban control ya ka jingwan kersep ka jong drugs ban penjot ya ka jing ka jongi kali gi ndiat iba ngaran ban keren
Ito mentar singin snap bagnen tempedia shpang kai kata ka NDPS kai kata ka bakhang lab bergmaplilar ya kini ki kena ki ban kirni ya kani ka jajing di tingit zang shura ka jigli ka banikong ti kong Samanda nga phashapi pilan en man pen ikitner Shapang ke NGO jongpi, but ka jig penshur jopi, papinsing na ni penkershan ni ka rehab center, hapo ke kendoan jo ke NDPS Act.
Ni actually ka Manhua Foundation ka di ka NGO ka ba matray dapat ki bari drugs han, and ni ka rehabilitation center ni baton hado maka, okay, and tabay ni yay bet ka feel level ngilet bet ka feel saka bagi ong ka hotpot ka jongki ngilet ki ngi ai ka services ka bagi ai jingdan kam ka jongki kumki gi ai ngidan kan ka ngi concentrate ngi pet ka kan ka harm reduction bagi tray kan ka kam hapo ka jingpet jong ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society bala sponsor yang da ka National AIDS Control Organization ba ngi pet senang ya kan ya bagin duna dan ban pendu yung ni penang Jepang HIV STI but benta bakalami kani ka hep C mo kani ki jumpang ni pet habang ilet ka feel ni IG ka ki kena bakinum ya share you no syringe man bakinum ya share kino ki kinja di drugs jongki ki tiar ki jongki banlat na ki jumpang and ya kajo ko por ni educate ki bakin haban penangkam leuternya batmai Kebagian leong mana bangimla ban stop yaki ngimla ban khang yaki bakin di dak season kan reda kabaya kendo yaki bak ida kami ai utrnya batma yaki wei artli utar kum ka jinggan kam jengki je ngila kila ban ya daya la dia naga jing sapriang jong ni jimpang HIV kata hi ka dika service an yo ban ya kendo yaki man ka por ngi ai counseling suki da kabaya kendo ya kini kina ngiyo ban yalam na yaki sha bandi dawai UST and ngi penso to yaki ba bagimday ban continue lani ban yai dung drugs bandung inject lan ya ban penang kam yo drugs nri kila ban shift no ilo de shaw in ki dawai baong OST oral substitution therapy te yakani ka substitute yakani ka OST ki aya civil nikong and napo Common Bha Foundation lo ilan ka satellite OST ba kila ban join bandi OST yang to and you iru ba daga ba ba yaidi testa yo ni OST kila but ki biang kila banlet ban bala banlet la kakam kajam nado mentasing idan labun ki kina ki ba yai continue bandi yo ni OST tamaki yai let ami ka biang ka jing em ka haka im lang salang ki kim dan kono ko complaints na ki bayang and half plus i bandi yo ni OST ro ki bayang bahasan pihak ban ai kata ka support nang bakini yai sakmat mo bakan biang kata ka jing em ka jong ki te kumangila ang muna ba kanika using the drugs uday ba kajimpang kabandan det bro silinter jongki hagajing em jongki tang ba kitang shu ki hab ban yai continue ban yai let's lock ban let kata ka counseling ban let kita ki family counseling mo ki hab ban ya kendo ya kini ki breu ki bala shangkut kinam bakin yo ban kanslanya kanika jimut jimpar khat ke jongki ban ang maroi hi kinumla kidan kambay kanu ka kanja support kanang bakin yai baik haduk benda bro sijik em ho jongki
Pudi shibul ko. Mr. Joshi, I come to you. My first question to you is, sir, what is the NDPS Act and what is the intent behind its enactment, sir?
NDPS Act is a narcotic drugs psychotropic substances and it came into force in 1985 and the use it was needed. Earlier we were having the Opium Act 1857 as well as 1878. Subsequently we were having the Dangerous Drugs Act 1930 and there the punishment was provided. It was 3 years, 4 years, 3 and 4 years with or without fine, which was not adequate. And later we found, not like entire country as well as internationally also, it was found that these acts is not a sufficient act. It's not a deterrent act. We cannot control the abuse of drugs through these acts, Opium Acts or this Dangerous Drugs Act. Thereafter, when the international convention was there in 1971, and India also participated in that. And there it was decided that one consolidated act is required, not in India, but internationally also. Entire world we need to control abuse of drugs. And as such, other countries also, they have enacted act. And India also enacted in 1985. The bill was passed by both the house, upper house as well as the lower house, and got the assent of our president on 16th September 1985 and came into force 14th November 1985. And since then we have the 1985 NDPS Act. And this NDPS Act has provided lots of measures to control the drugs, even for the addicts, for the users, for the peddlers, traffickers, financiers, abettors. Everything has been incorporated. And at the same time, it has been incorporated, it has been given some safeguard that the act should not be misused. Because the act is very strict act, a strictest act. So a strict provision has been provided for that, to safeguard the abuse of law. So this was the purpose, to bring the NDPS Act to control the abuse of drugs in our country. And similarly, other countries also they have.
Thank you, sir. Tementang apai shapi, Mr. B1 Sweat. Kumno ka jinglong, jong ka jingdi drugs sa shirong, bara ka jila jong Meghalaya baro kawai kalong yamanta, sir.
Yamanta hi kajinglong jingman jong kasar shilong. Mat kumjo ki benta ki baper jong ne kajila hi bar kawai. Kalong kabasngo serkai hado kata-kata. Namar kajinglong jingman jong kajingdi drugs. Kapal jeleh hado kata-kata. Namar kawai kalong ba hado kumba lak siteng hado lailak ngut kibreo kiyah kisah te amrao hakani kajing jele jong ni kajing di yaw drugs kabakan thopru kito kiba pendankam bandi bat kumjuru kito kiba pendankam ban inject yakamet kadau sakoi pat kadau ba kham kongsan kalong ba kani kathan ge jongi kalong ya jan ba bat ka golden triangle kadi golden triangle kadi ke jaka ka ba penni ba yaw drugs bat de na kani kadau ngakaliang jong kathan ka jongi khamtam kanong ba shlong lapan long ya ka kalenti jong kani ka jing khai yaw new drugs ha kani ka golden triangle don artli ki jaka kiba tip kertenge yaka kum ka tahan bat ka falam kini kide ki artli ki jaka kiba jor bha ka jing penmi yaw drugs but mekini ki jaka la supply la ne la khai be an yaw drugs sangni ka than lamingi ka jongi thamtam lingba ka jaka ka bagi khat jeribam kaburan haga jela jong manipur but nang tu la salan be an diang yaw new drugs lingba ka khaput jong ka mizoram nang ta ka khaput jong ka nagaland nang ta sagajala asam lingba ka silchar bat ka barat bali but nang na barat bali kipen poi yaw new drugs lingba ka khaliriat nang ta lingba ka juwai bat hadu shillong but anda ba uyu u jingdi upaya shillong na shillong pat kipersang ban poi upat sekibenta kiba fer jogi district apo ka jala ka jongi hakani ka jala ka jongi pat khamtam ha kanung ba shillong kiba pendun kam ha yakni ka jingdi drugs kidai ki khna kibaran karta ka ba khatsan hado life house nam how news nam ubamenta haga jala ka jongi ngilayo ban register san fusau tuliki case hapo jong kani ka NDPS bat tang hakani kanung ba shillong ka jongi kumba khat ar tuliki case ngilayo ban register haga bang ngilayo ru ban kurup yaw drugs heroin ba sikulutam bat kumjuru ya u drugs ganja lani marijuana badan kajing kaya kemba laipu fra kilotam bat nagini ki case ki bala register ngelayo ban kem khat khandai ngut ki brio ki bakan thup khan rungut ki de sinra bat laingut ki de kinte kini ki de ki daw ki jing penlong ya ka jinglong jingman jok sasulong hagini ki sing lamenta
Kabish pun ba alor kata. Tingan poi ber shafi kong samanda. Kumno ka jinge jong kini kinong di drugs. Kilong ha ki jaka ki bapitay mapi. Hato kidai ki be ki bawan na kiyeng kasam ki babit babirang. Nani ki wan na kiyeng kasam ki ba. Hamdam jinge kandiat halor ka jinge jingkot. Saan pan syang halor kata ko.
Brush kata bengi saya berki nyo iba ki long legs ki siap lang kidan ki kena ki bawan na kalong yen kalong sam ka babyang kidan ru ki ba ki long kun sweat kim dan ki mem lang ka ki sa ber ki bahiyeng jong ki kidan ru baki basa hasrok nakadaw bakim dan shoot ne ka an kim dan bahiyang satya te hakajing pet jongi ngiyele kal pala ban collaborate lani ban yatre lang bat kiwi ki NGOs ki bala ban aya kani ka free rehabilitation lani kata kajing sumar ka bayo ay and ngi collaborate kat bala bat ki social welfare department baki kanang bakin yo ban aya kata ka kajing yarap yaki lada ki deki kentay bakin aya ki kata ka Russian lani ka bicycle jongi kun ki jongi ro and ngiyo iba buon siri leki kena ki man pelat ban kalah lani ban continue ya kata treatment ke bagi ban yai betang ya kata treatment buon siri beraki kini kita kim wan cakamat ban support nama bakim dan por ya ke keluar orang tu teki jano naga jinggi dawai an ki relapse na kumto so hakani ka kat bangila hingi pa hi ki rehabilitation center daka jingi tray lang bar ki police department bar ka social welfare But menta recently bakan ka dream project lu lemba ka to ki ai kata ka free detoxification ta kamot ka jim pun kut ya ka met ka jong ki ba ka bayo ai nata kata ka jingai ki rehabilitation center ki bayo ai lare ki dan ki kat kisla ki ba minimum hakata ka rukam ngila ahi ban ngarap iki tamab nge tamabun na ki padangim na mabak ki makikina ahi kim man ban one shot ban shim treatment. Kaya ke bangi laban le is ni shulet shafil ni laban follow up ki and bun ki lereki dan ka jimpang HIV ni haban ni ai kada wai shiki shafil ni le hi ban bod dia ni ki tama not 100% I must say. Ngim la shis pa percent ke.
Publish bun kong halor kata. Mr. Joshi, I come back to you.
Yes.
How is the NDPS Act different from general criminal law provisions related to drug offences? May you please brief us on that, sir?
Well, general law, the procedure has been prescribed under IPC and other cases. We used to follow the procedure prescribed in CRPC. In general, we are used to see last scene theory, eyewitness, and all those things are there. But here, the law only provides 3 things are very important: search, seizure, and sampling. If it has been done properly, as per the NDPS Act, Section 41, 42 provides that how the search and seizure has to be made. 52A NDPS Act 1985 provides that how the sampling has to be done, how the certification has to be done. If 3 things, search, seizure, and sampling, is done properly as per the NDPS Act, as per the sections of NDPS Act, then there is no chance of failing the case of NDPS. But in general law, in CRPC and all, we are following different things, different theories are there. But here simple, the act. That's why I used to call that the NDPS Act is a technical act. It's not a general act. It's a technical act. And technicality has been provided in the act itself, in various sections. That's why the NDPS Act is different from the general act.
Thank you so much, sir, on that. Bounce back nga po ibang shapi. Kanya halor ka law enforcement perspective mo. Nani ko man yung hakatin kasi ka jikpad na kaliang kipulit. Kung na kipulit shlong ki tray, banya kun persya, ya ki kam di jo hapo ki NDPS Act ba. Nginatin ko, tek tang ka ikabangya kendo hakajala jong iya mentasa.
Kipulit jong kajala jongi haringkat bat ka anti narcotic task force jong kajala hi barahoy ni persang bantray sitom bantray minat khamtam kajing yakun persa kajongi ya kajing khai bade kajing di yo drugs hapo jong NDPS Act nakaliang kajong kipulit kijongi bat nakaliang jong ka anti narcotic task force bat kumjuru kipulit jong katanat sintian kajongi ngiju penlong ya kane ka jinglum jingtip ya kajing ya lani kajing wan jong kinu ki kali ki bakit ki drugs khamtam na kini kilimti ki ba ngalabatay men na bat hagabakum kini ki por laraki yo ya kanu kajing tip ka bakarpang bat ka batikana nakaliam jong kipulit barki NTF ngiju penlong ya kajing penap shrip khamtam ha ki jaka ki bade ka national highway lani ki jaka ki ba ki isu ba badan ki kali ki bayan ki habakum kini ki kar na habang yo banlum ya kajing tip na habang ile kita ki kam yo ru ban bat kini kali ban yo ru ban kem ki breu ki bale ya kini ki kam bat bun udraksu yo ban kurup lingba jong kane kajing tanap sirp kajongi bat gani tho epi ba de lingba kani kajing lum jing tip kajongi nakaliang jong ki pulit bat ki NTF dang men kane ka khat nyutrik jong ni bana hiwa menta ilayo kajing tip badon kawai ka private vehicles kabara yu drugs kaman wan nakathan selsar ban wan penpo yu drug sa silong te anda habang yo kane kubor nakaliang jong ki pulit bat ki NTF nilai persang ban pendap shrip haga national highway number 6 but hadin bengilayo ban pendap shrip layo ban bat ikata kali ban dah bengilayo ban talasi ikata kali ngilayo ban kurup kumba sikilo duna u heroin u drugs heroin bosongdor 1.1 crore haga pisah ka mentah but nakani kajing talasi kajing ngilayo ban kem laingut ki kenthei ki badan mentah badan keti hakane ka kam ki badai na kajala Manipur am tang kata dakani kajing lum jing tip susu jongi hakakat khandai tarik pat jong ni benahi kumjo nilayo biang ya kajing tip ke bapaka bakandan kajing ra ya ki drugs naktai ka thain Manipur sagani ka jaka ka jongi lingba ki night super bus tena kaleng jong ki pulit berki NTF ru nila penap shrip ya kane ka night super bus ban handa bangi layo ban talasi nakaway ka night super bus kabawan nakathain silsar nilayo ban kem arut ki breu ban handa bala talasi naki layo ru ban kurup ya u drugs marijuana ba ka jing thia ka jong kolong sipho kilotam bat kumjo ru layo ru ban kurup ru sakumba 8,000 nyuspa life unreal tablets une u drugs tramadol hydrochloride bat ru hado 1,000 teli ki drugs jong unai traspam tablets ki batmu banwan penpoi haselo henry dakajing la ban khangla jong ki pulit bat ki NTF hangte hapo East Giant Hills lala ban put a stop ya kajing wan sapren jong new drugs sagni kanong ba sulong jong ni omde tang kata nakaliang jong ka police department ni tresitam susu kham tamelei ba bangen penhap ya kitu ki breu ki ba yu umlin ban khai drugs man la kapor lani kata ki repeated offenders ban pengat iki hakawai pat ka kendon ain ke ba ngi ong kapit NDPS Act ke ba ong prevention of illicit trafficking of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substance hakani kanung ba sulong jong iru nilayo ban pengat arut ki breu ki badai kisnar khi drugs kawai naki kadai ke ba ni ju tibhi kabala paunam hakani ka hasilong kaba kerteng ka Ayesha Khatun ya kaniru la pengat halta hakani ka pit NDPS Act bat hado minta nilayo ban set ya ka bat kamyo asu ya kala ban persang ban khi yo drugs nang taru saya wepan ubakerteng orintu ganasam saikya yo niru nilayo ban pengat hakani ka bat hado minta ru udon hakayeng bandi umyo ban le yakini kam nakaliang jong ka tanat pulit ki jongi nilayo ban examine ru katuk ani ki repeated offender bat ngilasem bakidan hado sanlani hendrumur di balong kum kita bat menta nakaliang jong katan pulit nginang persang ban penbiang ikut kisla bat ikiniru nginyo ban pengat hakane ka ang pit NDPS kanang ban khangla ya kajing penlin jong kini ki nonghi ban khai ki drugs ba penjat khamtam ya kanong ba solong bat ikajing jala jong hi borak hoy
kajing percaya jo pi katuba nanet kala perkendit benriu ya nga ba de pi mentasi kubish bun ba alo jo percaya jo pi nan poi biar shapi konsemanda kai kajing tekam ke babur bat ke pendungi ki brio hapo kan ki NDPS Act ki brio ki phai shapi hakinu ki rukom anda ki tengku kum ya kan ga jajingja lesi ki digi khna balawan sumar teng hapi ki balayo counseling teng na ka center jo pi ki ju ai kum kinu ki kenjan nuksala ni kum kinu ki kenja counseling ya ki pede bakin phai khmi persha ya kum kini ga jajingja ko
hakata kaliang naka kidiki kina ibon giba sakem hi haka NDPS Act kebening kong ning sape ba masan sakem ni seyo ka kubor na ka police station naki outpost ba pera silang wat haba soraru ba idan kamswa jinsumar ya ukna namar baki kwa haka por baki kwa but interrogate kamto kidan katuka kenja baki ong ka safar mo
okay
tingi hab banlet nawai yaki and kenang bikin ki pulitin kinyo beteng ya kata ka interrogation dong ki kajing token dong ki mo Yang teradap nang tu ki alam cha civil hospital ki eye treatment ki kin telapoi syakut. Kin telapoi syakut kakut pada ka yakini ki bunsin yakini ki badi hi yaki badi bagat apa ka NDPS Act ki refer yaki ki pha yaki bakin let not syaki rehab. Ribun naki pada ki banglan katakalat kalenti bakin let syaki rehab. Kakut ka pha biang syangi bakin le ya kata ka counseling ka ba lenter ka ba lai banai lang ya sao banai nang ta ki pa ni katiki certificates nangi. Ba haka next hearing nani haka jing yang kumno ya banlet yang syakut haka next date kadit ko banwan ihaban rakyat i certificate hadin saubrai mentally bakilawan ya kilaman ya katuka counseling lani kila long kumno mentally both physically mentally ma kajing mo jemperkat jongki bat kajing sa jing kan jongki so kata di kawai and sa kawai pada lalaki lalaki kelamngat hakano kano ka NDPS Act naman kidi tangki nong kibadi hindi kibakayi yaw tau drugs te kisit ha by direction ni bagin continue balani bagin yay beteng ya kata kajing sumariya ki kata ka counseling but suki ba tikni kikpa jong ki ngilaban yaslok ban pet sakano kata ka rehab ka bagilaban tap yaki bagin yo kata kajing sumar ka babiang net kajing yatri lang jongi hakane ka liang yang ka NDPS Act bagi pulit bat ka court lani bat ki lawyers bangi adon bet kata kajing yadi jimut jongi bangin kumno bangin yarap yaw kana lani kamtam ya kita kibadi belad na kibadi ngimju kamdan kita ki cases ngimju kamshim
English pun ko. Mr. Joshi,
Yes.
what are the key punishments under the NDPS Act for possession, trafficking and consumption?
See, NDPS has defined the punishment part in 3 parts. First part is a small punishment for the small quantity. Second part is for intermediate quantity. And third part is for commercial quantity. Different drugs, different types of like ganjas, cannabis and all, different measurement has been given. There is a table provided in NDPS Act. How much quantity will be the small quantity, how much will be commercial quantity, and between greater than a small quantity and less than commercial quantity, it will be intermediate quantity. For a small quantity, Section 20, 21, 22, 23 NDPS Act provides the punishment for a small quantity, intermediate quantity as well as commercial quantity. A small quantity punishment we have earlier, it was 6 months, but now it has been increased 1 year plus 10,000 fine. For intermediate quantity, his punishment has been provided under section clause B of section 20, 21, 22, 23, and punishment is 10 years extended up to 10 years and fine extended up to 1 lakh rupees. For commercial quantity, the punishment has been provided is 20 years, the punishment is extended up to 20 years and fine not less than 1 lakh extended up to 2 lakhs. These are the normal punishment for NDPS Acts. But for trafficking, financing, harboring, there is a separate sections has been provided. That is section 27A of the NDPS Act. Because we are not concerned about these a small quantity, commercial quantity, intermediate quantity, but we are more concerned about the illicit trafficking, harboring, financing. These are the major part. If somebody will not traffic, if somebody will not finance, if somebody will not harm, then a small quantity, intermediate quantity or commercial quantity will not come only. So for that, the deterrent punishment has been provided. And there section 27A is there, and there the punishment is extended up to 20 years, fine not less than 1 lakh rupees, but extended up to 2 lakhs rupees. So deterrent punishment has been given especially for the trafficking, harboring and financiers. So these are the punishment under NDPS Act, and for others also several punishments have been provided in the different sections under the NDPS Act.
Buna pring mga berbafigan. Ngijia perkat. Kini ki brio ki balik kini ki kambean. Hakabakin supply ni kun jajing di bapan buat. Leni mengi ki bayo. Leni mga berbafi ki tu ki balanat ki bangar hapong ki kori kiti ki bahayang masan. Ki bangar ni kun jajing di. Kinu ki jajing penstom ka bakiyo maki halor kaan. Kajing batay bani ajong isa mentara janmit. Kala pensayang apa dia pikir. Bakin di berpapoi pik tang hapo ka patok. Hindi kin hapsiw ya kador ka bahaya. Halor ki jing penstom ki baper. Ki jajing di ki baper. Ki jajing penstom ro ki baper. Kabrisha bunsa. Mr. B. Wansford, I come to you. Kadon ni em kanu ka benta. Kabadon na kani ka jela jongi. Lani shaba. Kabak kam syak ta palat na ki kam shalandrok. Kian batay kam banya halor kataba.
Kumbaga la ong minna. Bagani ka than ka jongi. Kari ka bay jan bha bat ka golden triangle. Di nata ka daw. Kabala penlong ro. Kantam ya kani ka ya kanong ba shilo. Bakandai kata ka center lani kata ka jaka. Kabakong santam ha ka jingi kidrox. Badhakan ng ba shilo ka jingi. Na ka jing register ka jingi yaki case drugs ka ba fair. Lasyam ba buon kithan hang ni po shilo. Kibakta ba kantam ha kani ka jing di bat ka jing kayo drugs. Kijaka kiba kta ba hakane kanung ba ka jongi kidei ka than madan rating Happy Valley nang ta bot sa kanung thumai bat ka lai mukra nang ta kumjuru ha ka than polo ha ka than nong mensong nang ta ha ka than penthorum pra ka than khandai la nang ta ka than cantonment area lani kani ka Harijan colony kumafiatip yakatu kalum sarbe nang taro kathan mauba kathan mauprem kathan lumding jeri kathan jayao bat kathan maulai kini kijaka kita ba kading jor jang kading di drugs ba jing khai drugs nomor ba katkum lagi case ki bangilai open register ibrio bon lagi ki brio ki ba di ik drops kidei ki ba sa ki ba syong hakite ki than we ki pat ki jaka ki ba kta ba ya kani ka jing jor ka jing di drugs bar di hi drugs kidei ro hajwai nang ta hakliriat hatura bat katu kan ni ki benta jong kanong stan katu kan ni ki benta jong ka mokorwat katu kan ni ki benta jong kanong po nang ta katu kani ki benta jong ka ampati katu kani benta jong ka risobel para bat kumjuru katu kani ka benta jong bakmara tikini kidei ki jaka ki ba kajudan ba ka jing ta ajor jong ka jingdi bat ka jing khai jong drugs ha kani ka jala ka jong
Kabrisha bunna. Kong semandang phaibeng shapi. Bener pi batay ni kendat sapang kajing penon kam yaw ni uternya obat thamai. Naka benta kini ki brio ki bala ngop lani ki bajumlien lani ki bala kerni hakani kajing di drugs. Hatu kata kam lokum ga ika jing penslul ka ba ay men si me ki bikin ong ba to kadol kani kalat begin penon kam yang yaw ni uternya tingin ang la man continue lani ban penlien lani bandang yay beteng man di drugs. Kamut hatu kalung ni em kum ka ika jing pentip ya kiba kam dan jing sniu lani kam dan jing lani kam dan jing mensala di penan kam yuni pinja drugs kong kilan pensay ni hello kata
kata ka jing kelibun siya ni ngilayo da yangi bangili ay ternya batmai ani simno ikibarim bagi om bangi pensulur yaki ndai kam dai kumta ani ka program jong ka NSCP bangi om Needle Syringe Exchange Program ka Balawan lemba na ka Government of India jong ka National AIDS Control Organization kani ka di ka program ka ba ndai bangi pensulur yaki ndai ni da ka basimno itu ternya barim jong ki ni dano yaki bai bakin ya share lani bakin ya sam lang yuju ternya paling arho lani langun tiladangi ay yaki namangim ay patharu ternya ru ni ay bit lada u kena udan kam artelicious ni ay bit hik tang artelicious ni haka singi ka babut ngilisim no ikitiki atali na mabaula da panangkam niya biang no duway batamay. Daka jing ay jungi daka jing yakado jungi kata kumbanga ong manet ngili ay tanya ikiri batamay ngisim na obarim kanam nginyo destroy la ni berat haka jaka kabali kabali ka biowis rules. Daka jing ay jungi yaki kumtung yakado yaki man kapor. Iyo banyak keren yaki makiru ki kamli ka lagi pensilor yaki ndai daka jing ya kendo yaki man kapor kumtu kiru ki snow ba hoy kini kiwan ki ai counseling yang kalade kapor yang bangan lane bangan shift no siya dawai ban no yaka inject nila bon ki kis bakilawan tikna bakila si siya tau tanya an kilawan mandi dawai nila witness bon ngut bakila long kumta. So haka program ka jungi bangi fat ka targeted intervention program balapan ya da Meglay AIDS Control Society iyo kita ki success takamot ka jing say so ya kani ka jing let jungi siya feel banli shimyo barim ayr batamay and ni siya hikayro yaki bakinum sam banno and kasi dan lo kapor ba kumangalaong bakiwan pai and kiong bangikwa ban ngikwa ban let detox ngikwa ban let rehabilitation center laning ikwa ban di no lo dawai na magim dan bisa banit rehab. Ki success stories kidan hangto and ngam try bakan di kano ko bas niyo ladang ili ay ki batamay namor ba daka ba ay ki batamay niya daya bon ngut ki lok ki jongki lani ki partners ki jongki laban lat kani ka sapiang dong kinyang HIV but STI lani ka hep siru ka ngatay kam day kano bangi pin encourage Nray kani kaway kalat jongi bangin yakdo yaki ana bunsin mangilayo iru bakin na dan lari kilit search kumto kibrat na yut tanya surut ato kamday ngi siya advocate mot ngi siya let banyakan bakin ki police department lani ki seng ki papier balada ki lap yung nuno tanya bakin kan bulam siya jaka and kat yung ingin man sim yut tanya barim. Andai da ko ba ngisit manaru yakini ki drug addicts bakin berat yo triya sini sitai hika yaki bakin bu haki tendang an bu si jaka an in session yang mangi karkum badika protokol lari ka SOP ke jongi te katahi nga ko aban batay bakam dan kanu ka jing encourage ngim let hang to ban ong basim yune de ngili ay tanya ngim ay drugs katari ko ni ai kanu ni yai ji kai yaki ni bandung nrei ni ai ji kai banam sapriang ya kejimpa katari ko and ni dakabay ai yaki dakabay kanu yaki ni ai jinya selok yaki ni council yaki bakin no ya kejingdung tanya an wandi no sya kadawai ke te kata kadika ka kejingmut ke jongi bat ka project ke jongi jo ka targeted intervention project berkenaku hi berkawai ba ngikwa barok kini ki drug addicts ki ba dang dung thanya manta bakin wandi no da uosti ubadan hapo civil hospital ba IA uba habridi man kasngi and uyara prohi yaki karkum ka jing penangkam drugs ki sibuk ki penangkam si ngamla balong si RCC kumbakyong le udawai ru uyo kiyo hi kakto namar ba kanang ba unong dan kamsyo banlik what drugs lada ula debgi upo padawai ke kata kalika ka motif jong ka nako actually
Kubish bunkong halor katu si sendan anam la bantag sangye badi uni judging di kini ki kenja foundations kini ki kenja training centers ni ki rehab centers kiwan ra ka jing pan pay thang nakabanta kini ki khna ki balak du mensim ha ka jing injuki Kubish bunkong halor ta Mr. Joshi,
Yes.
there has been many instances, sir, where people, as general public people, they come with allegations such as, what is the law doing when it comes to people who are engaged in taking drugs, using drugs, supplying drugs? We seem to have no other option but to go to an advocate, ask him to help our son or our daughter who has been caught. What is the guarantee that the court gives these people who are under their custody after having charged that they have been supplying or consuming drugs? what is the act that can help these people understand and not to continue consuming drugs?
The court is bound with the law. Court cannot act beyond the law. Okay. Hands of the court is tied. Only court can work or advocate can work within the four corners of the law. We cannot go and cross our limit. We cannot cross our jurisdiction. But how to control, how to punish them, there are machineries. The judiciary is one machinery, police departments, investigation team. Like nowadays we have a NCB, Narcotic Control Board. Just now, sir has mentioned about the NTF. Then our family members, societies, as well as this NGOs and all, rehabilitation center. So all we have to work together. Only you will see that, oh, we have arrested, why court is not punishing, why court is not hanging till death. Court can do only when you will complete your investigation as per law. Then only court will act. Court has to act under the provision of law. They cannot cross the boundary. Court cannot cross the boundary. This is it is an investigating team that how the matter is being investigated, how the matter is has been properly investigated as per the provision of law. If there are flaws in investigation, court cannot do anything. Number two, that section 27, a small a, talks about users, those who are using drugs. For that, the punishment has been prescribed, extended up to 1 year. And we used to have sympathy towards users. We don't want to punish them. We want to rehabilitate them. We want to reform them because they are addicts. They want to come out, but they are not able to come out. So they need help. Just will punish them, will put behind the bar, and after 1 year they will come out. That is not the solution. So for that, NDPS Act has taken care of it. And section 64A provides about the immunity. And immunity on the ground of like voluntarily the addicts coming before the court and saying that we want to reform, we want to change ourselves, you grant us immunity. Voluntarily we are coming that we will not take any more drug and we will go for de-addiction. So where they used to go for de-addiction, they used to go to NGOs or other various centers are there, those who are providing like a de-addiction treatment and whatever the things, like one of the Manba Foundation, I got many certificates from there that they are going under treatment. But that is not the sufficient. We used to grant immunity. Okay, we are granting immunity, we are not going to punish you. But you go for de-addiction. They used to go and take admission in Manba Foundation or civil hospital also is there. Bethany Hospital, some doctor, I forgot the name, he was also issuing certificate and all, but that is not sufficient. Just like entering in the register that this person has approached us for addiction, he is going under treatment. No. When you are issuing the certificate, you write down case number, PS number, and you inform court as well as police that yes, this person has voluntarily came to us and taking treatment for the addiction. Because we have seen, we have gone through circumstances that the people used to go to the NGOs and civil hospital. Once or twice they will get certificate, they will come and bring and put in the court, and thereafter gap. Thereafter, no certificate, thereafter no report whether they have been completely de-addicted or not. So our NGOs, our hospitals, doctors also, they have to be little sensitive towards this issuing certificate. If they came, well and good. They are not coming. They have broken the cycle. They have disrupted the cycles. Once, twice they came, they have not completed the course, they have not been completely de-addicted, then the NGOs or hospitals should, along with the case number, should forward to the police station under which the case has been registered, as well as the court. So at least we will be aware that this person has taken for the de-addiction immunity on the basis of de-addiction, but this person has not been de-addicted. The second thing, now we are talking about the paddlers. We are talking about paddlers, suppliers, traffickers. At presently, as per me, whatever I used to face cases in court, the paddlers, it became two types of paddlers now. One, paddlers, those who are bringing the drugs and psychotropic substances into a state or India or country, the way Bhawan Seth has mentioned about the golden triangle and Manipur and all. But now, one to those who are supplying from outside, bringing into a state, bringing into India. Now, small paddlers we have. And small paddlers, to control the small paddlers, it has become more difficult. How it has become more difficult? They are not actually paddlers. They are addicts. But they are poor people. They got habit of having, they got the taste of drugs. They cannot live without drugs. They used to become mad. They will be very aggressive. And they will come out in search of drugs. They don't have money to buy drugs. Then the main wholesaler or supplier, you can say, they used to say, okay, I will give you 10 this envelope, a small envelope, 10 envelope I will give you, 10 you sell, then 1 you will get free. So they are roaming in entire state, even entire country, just to satisfy themselves, just to get easy access of drugs. They have become paddler, and to control them is very difficult now. It's very challenging. And for this, not only like a court or advocate can control it. For this, the parents are very much required. They should take care of children, where the children are going, what they are doing, what is their behavior, in which atmosphere they are roaming, what types of friends, circles they have, whether they are going to school or not. The parents, the first at home, we have to take care of our children. Second, the NGOs, hospitals, doctors, and ultimately police also. Police, they are playing a vital role in this, and without them we cannot control. Along with this, we need certain mechanism has to be made by the government of India as well as the state government. How to control this? How to come out from this such a dangerous and drastic situations? Like our entire nation is shrinking in drugs now, and it's a matter of concern. It's not a matter of joke. But we are not taking due care of it. We are not paying attention, appropriate attention, adequate attention, how to control. So for that, some mechanism has to be there, some commission, board, something has to be there, some coordination has to be there between the court, doctors, hospitals, NGOs, police, along with the intelligence. You are only who is to arrest? Who is to arrest with 1 kg of drugs? You are arresting one driver. Just now, Bhawan Seth said that 1 kg drugs is costing nearly 7 crores. Do you think that one driver or one helper or handyman can bring 1 kg of drugs? So who is behind it? You have to search the root. You have to search the source. Then only we will able to control. Otherwise, addicts and these people, we are just arresting addicts, just arresting a small paddlers. It will not solve the problem. It will not solve the situation. That is my idea.
Kawai gasul, kering na kiniki kena, lani na kiniki sama belanggar anu jajing di. kajingyarap. Dan kambanay kajingyarap na kabanta kajoki. Namar kisem kapur kalong kimba. Bakin niya sad baka jimut yung perkadla di. Bakin niya dayal di na unir judging di. Bakin kaya ni kiperlo kibablin ni judging di. Rengkat do kajing pensyadyo isa kabatay ba. Kini ki help centers, ni kini ki rehab centers. Kiba ajingyarap na kabanta kini ki kena. Kidal kamban aga jing tirtik na. Kabakam detail kanya lani kabakam benia. Hamman ka police station lani hakaying bisyarat. Kenapa kajing ya terikam nang jongi kanang kabakam suk bat kabakam sing. Kikmi pa kidi kibai kibenta kibalaban nyarap halor kani. Da kabaki pekmi kajing long jo ukon lani ka khod joki. Laki long kibadukhi, laki balong kibaduna kajimut perkat joki. Lani ka jiklong joki ka iper. Hakaliang kabam kadi, hakaliang kayak kayen. Badan kam mentwet jingmut susu. Na kini kijading di kiwan. Dal kam mentwet jeliu. Bantip. Manu badi kita kinong walam yakan ni kajing snip. Ngapoy bang sipi bawon svet. Kumno kino sosno. Kila banyarap ya kipulit. Banyato lani bantentip siapang kikam di drops. Kibun bang kibri kejuong ba kipulit kimdan bantay royam banyarap lani banset patok yo uto ubri ubadi. Hindi kat kung majik pensyadyo isa Joshi mentan ni ba. Undi ubri ubadi umde ubato umde ubatiem undi ter de tang na ite jing kerni. Tang na ite jing ma tang na ite jing bang. Unga hakan ni kajajing di bat ungo ban le kambas ni. Teka ila kambram jo pulit bat kasnong kata. Hakal yang kajing penitip penisami ki khubor kiba la ban tenyo direct na ni persya ba ye kitu knak bladi ini kajajing di. Klan batay is pangkataba.
Kinong sangsunong jong no kasnong. Idan kabenta kabakraw kantam hakabanyarap ban ya mun ya katrat pulit hakaban ay ya kijing tip kantam nilay hakajing don jong kibreo kibadi drugs lani kibakai drugs hano no kasnong jong ki tikabaning kong kalong ba nakaleng kinong sangsunong habaki ya kano kabenta kabaper hakasnong jong ki kantam nilay ya kajing ya kibreo kibadi drugs kakamram kabran kam kalang ba wood lani kloilan kidai ban pentip sekipulit lingba emergency number ba sispa lani siki phone number jong ki officer in charge jong ki police station krang marang kale jong ki kinyo ban sim ti ya kita ki baro ban le ya kabran kam kat kum basong taan jok NDPS nang taru kinong saksunong kidon kabenta kabakraw kaba dena nakihi kibala banyarap hawan penitu yakibriu kibadi drugs lani kiba khai drugs kibana kasinong katawa jongki da kabakile kamta kinyo ban ay kajingrap kabakraw kantam ya katanat pulit karang nakaleng jong gipulit kinyo ban kemiki bat kinyo ban penstom ru iki kat kum kabasong ka NDPS a sakway ru kaba dan kam kini kisi kalang ba kinong saksunong kila ru banyarap yangi kipulit kamtam nilay hakaban kenra hakajing kenra ya kajing dan jong kinong di drug lani ban kenra hakajing dan jong kibreo kibakhi drugs bat hakabakum kani kapor nidan kambha yakini ki independent witnesses nomar badai lingba jong ki kinlong kisaki satar ki baklan kamtam nilay hakapor bangi pha yakini ki cases siapo ying besar lada nakaliang jong kinong saksnong ki kloy banlong kisaki kanlong kajingrap kabakraw tam kamtam nilay katanat police department jongi bangin ya banrat dingkhong yakini kijing sneo nakajing di drugs bat kumjoro nakajing khai yaw drugs
Nishbun ba alor kata. Kung samamet man soy biang ship. Kila ban batay sa pangkaway ka kana kabaslur. Kabadon ulani ka hakabakimla asyo. Bakin sangi eladi bakin kiarno ni ujindi. Henry kibaying bahasam kipenkelay ki. Hakarukom kajing penyajan juki hakajing eday. Kipenyalong parlok berlaki khun hatu pidar hukum kita ki kena ki bawan syapi lani ka ye kasam ka ba penpau ka jing kapti ba ka jing sebut dengan ka jing erap juki NGOs ko
ha ngidan kat tu kan ni ki kena kumba arpungut ki bangi tip personally bangi itu personally menta da ka jing hapor bagi kilalit rehab la dan ya shukau katan sian dan maka bagiwan ki relapse biang kidang ki kena ba menta ki ba asang ko hadu nyaw lani prasnam and da ka jing soto jong ki bahayang hasam jong ki support jing kersan jong ki bahayang jong ki kena menta ki la ya don la ki kam ki jam ki ba biang ki try and ki recommend ki ya man kasi ami ki kimdan syuk katuka hapo ka jing mo jing perkan jong ki kamdan katuka banong bagin relapse biang ki ya pen scam ya gira de man kasi makiru ngi soto kat kum jing tu kana jong ki yang ki om bangi ya le ya kan ni katma man lagas ngi ki om bangi im sisien sisni kiru kim perkat bakila ada kila jam now ni addiction kitip baka ni addiction kada ke jimpang and ki yai yale atma man lagas ngi bakini na yen and ki penjur ya ka jingwai ke jong ki and ki danru baki om baka ni kadan kata narcotic anonymous meeting and mencoba ini meeting kumbai ong iti pelik jongi ong bai don tang marway menta kila don palat ya ka sanpung got hakata ka meeting suka jongki dengan nget scam baka ni ka NA meeting baki ong ka narcotic anonymous meeting ka baki perlang man ka si Tuesday but Friday kaya rap shibon ya kini ki kena kiba lai baki badang kwa ban hakata ka meeting kilet ki baros ba ki bado kimdan kanu ka jo ka jing ka discrimination lani ka jing iben ya ki badi lani ki bamdi ki treat ya barkhat kumjo and yu iba ki family members jo ki kena ki ba recover dan ki bala aseng ya ka dukan ka lajong dan ki batray naman ta ki ki sang dan ki bala atray bat ka government ru haji ka jing sisa kat kum ki contract basis and ki yai wala ki tray bakna kam lajong ru ki dang ya gi sakhmat shaki jaka shakita ki hotspot bakin yarap pada se ki ru untuk kan kini ki an ki bahayang bahasa mdang kiru kila asdang yo kata ka jingsenya lagi nama bakila yo bakila recover lani kata ka recover and kasi wadu se ka jing jong ki yo tau drak hadu nyo prasdan menta ki jingsenya ya ki adon tamba kini ki kena ki bala recover ki mdan katu ka jing ya slur ki mdan ki ya do ki thau ki dakran ki thau ki haban long siarte kaya yang ka jong ki baman kasngi tama ngasngo ngaingo ru yuglay ba ula ay bor ya ki bakin lat na kani katas nam and bakin lang lat shakmat an kanang bakin lang kinlang yo atan shu ya ki addicts ki bakwa ban ye lani bakin la ban yarap ya ki bam parkwa ban heru sanam bagin yo duna ki current users but hagajo kaporu ngila ban pun yada ya kini ki new users bakin wan hapoka addiction mo ikatahi kamin amin ka balkong san kadai pengihap banyada ya kini ki kena ki barit hak tim paring yang ka prevention program dan kam sibonya kata haki sekolah ki college banyada ki kini kena ki ba ki bampar use bakin wan cita addiction kin katahi kajin
Kamlesh Mr. Joshi
Yes.
we know these person who have been consuming drugs are not criminals, sir. We admit to that. Actions taken after using drugs leads them to crime, stealing, robbery, and engaging in many other crimes, sir. So, can someone be arrested under the NDPS Act, sir, without a warrant? And may you please brief us on the safeguards that guards these people, sir?
Well, first of all, the addicts and abusers of drugs, they're involved in other criminal activities like theft. Even for killing also, I have one murder case I'm handling. It took place, the victim was from Malki. I was conducting that case. That person was killed only for the sake of drugs. because they wanted money. So they have to snatch, they have to steal, they have to go in houses, break open, steal items, used to go and sell, and from there whatever money is to get, they used to go and buy drugs. Under NDPS Act, until unless drugs is not involved, we cannot try under NDPS Act. NDPS Act only it will come into force, it will come into motion when the drugs has been recovered. If there is no drugs, without drugs, they are committing other crimes, then for IPC now is changed to BNS. The provisions are there for theft, for stealing, the killing or kidnapping, or so many things. Other remedy are there, other sections are there under BNS. Earlier it was IPC, now it's BNS. So under that provision, they can be booked. But under NDPS, the drugs is necessary. Without drugs, we cannot do anything. We cannot book the person under NDPS Act.
Claim na doon kanu ko da kasin jong khna ani ka khna baki di uni judging di anam laban kemiki halor ka NDPS Act kata ka jiput sha na kaleng isa but bun sin ki khna ki badi uni ko ja drugs ki jusha kam mani ki jusha no baki di kita ki bri ki balie ka kam basniu clarap kalon bajing di ki basniu nei ngidi banwat bania ka jig ya ka daw ba babale ki poi di kerni uni judging di but hadin daladi uta judging di kasapan poi banle ki kam basniu ki balaban poi shudu ka jing kam tu kam thim ka jing pania briu ka jing shim no ay ka man sim jono lani ban pen mahami ki bahiyang nasab bish but sa nokta Mr. Wanswet ngan bu ipi sa koy gajing kali ka NDPS Act ka ay lat na ember ay jing sumar halor kata ka rehabilitation kung mangyong mo hakinong di drugs kamdam hakitu ki balong tek tang kinong di ni mekan sipang kinong di ni kan tek tang sipang kinong di but ngan poi kulum nang siya kawig jing kilingan barlang hajo pilanan banjer keteng ya kinu ki kenja drugs ki bidar pau tanmai hakan dengan jela jungi ba
Hapo jong ka NDPS Act kumba isa ila batay bena ka section ngruf saw A jong ka NDPS Act ka krani ya kata bat kapli ya kalat kalenti nakamta ban pelaj yang nunu ubreo uba di drugs uba sakem ban pelaj ya nakajing sa pen sistem bat jing pen saja at kum ka anjong ka NDPS Act tang lada ukut kejumut ban kelak bamut tang lada umanru ban sa sumari lade haki rehab centers tikani kade kawai kaba ka section kaba aila khantam ye kinong di drugs bakin light mat khantam bakin penyesok beng lade sak imlang salang babah hoy haganika jela ka jongi khamtam lele hanong ba shlo drugs heroin but drugs ganja lane marijuana kidei ki common drugs kiba kibrio ki jupunan kamba haganika jela ka jongi but khamtam ha kasoslo nomor ba uni drugs odei drugs oba sok banyo baju khai bha sagni than ka jongi but khamtam ru bakinong thit kila ban thit sok yu nomor ulong easy available hangne po nong ba shlong hoy kidon ki drugs ki bathmai manta ki bade ki kenja amphetamines kiba labuk kertang ya daw yava tablets WY kini ki drugs ki ba thmai kini kumju ro ki drugs ki buan salan na kati ka jaga ka golden triangle bat menta layo bat la shamba kini ki jat drugs kilaya yoba khamtam ha sorsolong bat hagni ka jela ka jongi bat layo ba bat ru bala shem ru ba yakini kenja drugs laju penan kambha bigi kena samla khamtam tu kiba jumlen ban lecha hi midnight party but lakhot yaw new drugs ru kumta he party drugs but uniu drugs ulong bakam klein bor but iman ulau ubah kampen sotenat kamtami samla bandi lada ya compare but drugs heroin lani drugs ganja lani marijuana sakiwai pat ki drugs ki badan ru hakani jela gide ki prescription drugs kita ki drugs ki bang ila ban yo na farmasi ki balong kum spasmoperoxyban drugs nang ta nitrazepam tablets nang ta tramadol hydrochloride tablets nang ta R7 tablets but kum jo uru ya kadawai jerho penicillin kini dei katto kani drugs ki bagi judan benta kamtam hagaba kini ki brio ki judan kami ki nakapor sakapor
Keblis pun ba alo kata. Kung semanda dengan poi bang syapi kani gajing pedi bakado mo. Kei kajing kerdo mensim ni kajing syakta kabayat barkan ni galinti ya kinong pang dan niya bikinong krong nan percaya bikin jikli mo. Kibayang bahasan bonsil ki juot alor kajing yo jingkot joki.
Right.
Ba anda kila nga na drugs kila poi siya patok kan poi siya kaan kalalong kai ka bae bat ka bakutla nam ta joki te kai ka jing od jing nam joki ni ki brio ki banga raw ni jing di ki ba poi siya pi but nakalian ka NGO kai kita ki lag jing da ki ba pilaban pen scam shi sindon ba pin aji ngera nakabanta kini ki kena halo ka NDPS ay
Well, hapo kini ki kena ki ba bawan singi bonsian ki ba syakem lani ki dan kanu ko pending case ki bagyo ba sya ki ba banlet hajar sa kokot menta ka hapo kani ka hakaan ni kadan kani bagyo ka District Legal Services Authority takamut ki dan kini ki lawyer ki ba baratum ni ki sarkar and ini ki lawyer ki ba ngi tip hapo Meghalaya ka jongi ki badan ki District Legal Aid Services Authority ELAC ini ki lawyer ki bayarap ba kimlong kum ki lawyer ki badan sa ki dakhar ki ba ibam sunyo nama bakide ki lawyer ki ba habban kay ay nama ta ki breu nama kini ki badan hapo Meghalaya I must say khamta ma shulong ini ki ELAC ki long ki breu ki bayarap ba and ki shim kiya ya kanu ka NDPS case lani kanu ka case ang ikan tayo ki kulong kat bangi la atay ka mantala katas number ki ngibon ki case ki ba kila akut bod lani la pensuk lani kila kila yarap shibun ha ki lawyer lam kanu ka jingdawa ya ka pisa lani ya ka kanu ka jingdawa jo ki so ngi shit pa ba yaki bakin let sa legal aid lawyers kanang bakin yo kanika ki free lawyer bagi mo and kita try siya ki try ho ki kini ki lawyers ki kini ki wala day bakana ki NDPS agro te hakata karukam yarap yaki crimes ki jongi and also bakini ki kini ka bonsin ki sok nomor gila atay hakani na bon stem man siya ngila ju ong yaki ni pa ba apa bakidang ya ka jing sumar kimday ban expect ba si Sem Baukun wala arong si Kot Lihap nami ng kalak lalong blay nila batayin na rin kong ba kani ka addiction kani ka jimpang and kanyay nye bro si Jessica siki haban ngay sumarya ka kumba labutha da ki counselors lani da ki rehabilitation center kan kum ka jingya salok sa ki klik pa bati naro ito ma haka society ka jongi ka shimjing ba ya ki kini ki pa lani ki bayang bahasam bagin shim ba ukon jonga lani ka kon jonga uli walik bonsian ki learan manwan sakmat ban shim nanu ganu wajing yarap lani banya sulak banu banya da ban poi siya ba nama ladaki laya sulak lupa lagi wan shim jing sumar lupa ngam try kan poi ukana bun ya sa surak lani buun litu lani buun lit nyabreu lani buun poi siya kaan. Te daka jing yarap jong ka society jong ka imlang sa alang barki bahiyang nasab hingkong nila banya dayaw kena lani ka kena ubangat ka drugs bagin lat na kiniki ki anjed hata korkom And also bun sin hi ngi siong ba kani ka jimpang kani ban nyai ban continue ban sumar kalang mangi pang BP ngi habdi dawai man kasingi ta control ka BP kani ka addiction ro lada go khna uyai ha ka jing sumar horo cylinder da ka jing support jun ki bahayeng ka kamot kan control te kan nginum dan kam man mo isya kitiki NDPS kani isya kano ka tu watiem kani kena mo Nai haka society ka jongi hi kikime kikpa lani ki bayang basam kidang learan batang syutip ba ukhna ula di drugs dan ki baang ba udi isisen system lani udi teng si itu idi teng idi isisen system haka way kasingi kapoy man kasingi dalalakim la asyo na yang ban ay pisa ban pendiang ya katu ka jingdan kam jongi umba mentale utaw drugs ula rem hadu hajar lai hajar kikiman se kihaban tu lani kihaban lute no so beringkong ngaya hap but is we all mane ba we parents should take care of our children from the house te kani ka ek sedang na yeng ko so because ngin bunsir nga hoy nga so to kum kikime pa kum bantan keman ki kun yitiet ki mobile ki baram ki apple phone ki iphone ki ligitai ang itiero yaki ki PlayStation ki baram lani ni IP sai ki khambo namar ba game dan por ban syong bat ki nrengi ai ki daga pisa ngi ai ki daga tiar ka baram ka ban keman ki nrei katu kamlong te kalong no ka jinglien ki te ni habban husyar na yeng kum mangir bilang rep mensuang yo pocket money san na ya shpon ya mentai shpo pengka san arpo pengka ya Ribon ki kena menta kira beda ki spa shaneng. So lu drugs bantiru dan kam tangkat tahi san spa duna. So katu kali ke bangi haban prevent lani yada ya ki kun ki sabna ki badang ki menta and ba ya kini ki balangat support ni aibet and ki bahayeng hasam ki ban support ya ki and ki balangat ha ka an kim dan kam man kuslai than namar baka sistem ki ale ekono ka crime ka an ka dan met ya kata ngimla ban kham ngimla ban oi ki pulut bot fem dan ya ki lawyers banum ya ki judge bakinum le kata kan judgment nrei idan kalat dan kalinti bakidan kini kili ka kapisa bakim dan taman siu ya ki bamla ban siu ya ngatrai kata kali ka week na ki lodging arab baki kini ki pa jon kini ki kena ki bangat haka an ki laban wan sakmat ya kata ngi sa ahi ki awareness para bor tamba bulsin ki smoba lada ka kod ka idea hadin arbrai ki smoba ka lawyer ka khabrai kap katu kali ka jimbak la and ki lawyer jongi kum mangi try lang bakai bar ki lawyers bar ka code bar ki police department kaya sakmat kaya ki lawyer hangi ha mo menglaya asai ka khamya khamstat hi ki ka jam mo
Kajing kali ka bakado ka bangan bo epi ba on sweat. Kidan ayu banong halor ki samla hakani ka jela jongi. Ki belangat tahu ni jajing di ba ki berang dan ha itu iteme ba ki la bangat.
Nakaleng jong na amdan sibun man ong nrei tangkawai ka bang kwa bat ong kalong ba nakaleng jong ka police department ka kubor ka bang kwa ban yathu seki samla khamtam ki jong kanung ba sulong ki balangop bat kitur ki ba dangdon menta hakajing bet ki jingbyang kaban kong kalong ba hakajing im ka jongi kabran kam kalong ban care na kinu kajing penan kam ya kijing di weapon bo ai bat di drugs so baru ban care na ki parlok ki bamlen man penan kam ya kijing di bo ai drugs wat ya kijing start 3 minute hakajing puli kadang le ka jong fi tresitom mansuk kalawai ka jong fi hakajing im ka jong fi penlen ro ilade ban banesim benta hakajing ila kai sports kanang ban light nakano ka jinglen ka basneo penlen ro ilade ban trai ki kam ki jam ki ba babaha khamtam ha kisnong ki thau jong fi hak imlang salam bat kumju ru ha kajai ban reu bat karihi barak we kabakado kabakakwa ban ong kalong ong ya drugs but hoy ya kajing kabasok kabakamen ta kita
Ngalapoy siya kabanta, kabakong sando. Hakabangan buo ikaw ikajingkili kabakalom. Kabamangaban mapinya ko aban tip. Kajingkili kabakado kalong. Kibuon ba kini kasi ko mangyayoi. Kibuon ba kini kikana kibayalan ti singkin. Hakani ka juk kabamanta ko, ba? Kira lau ternia, berki injek yaman la ubri ubaya. Ubri ubaya halan ti singkin. Umnong siya ubri uba bakhot, jingmut, ulah habya da kajingtit. Kikana school kibare siya school. Kikit ba kajing kya, bayo owan unong tu alani uno ubri ubadi drak si owan injak kulmar yangi. Tanakalian kita nak pulit kay kajing pensyom, ba pidiban ayaki, ba nakalian ke center jong prikong. Kay kajing seneng nali kajing maham ba pila ban ay lani ban kentu ya kini kibriyo. Kay bangat hakini kajing jia. Ngin sedang siya na pi ba wan sweat.
kong kalong siya kabasu syarkai ban ya hakini kisengi ba dagni kajing kerni jong kajing di drugs ladan ru kibasim kabu wat ban pendankam ban injek ru ikibai pat kibapli kibalong lui tek tang kabai kaba ngakwa ban ong kalong ba ladan kaliang jong upai ba ula ban yarap yangi lara uyo ban tip kumi kita gijat breo umdei ban sim ya kanu an haka kti jong u ban syo ban dat yu hoj kata kajing le kalong ka bas social kay hidup kata Henry darau yo ban kem kumi kita gibreo day ban ai tihi sakaliang sakaan ang ban kali ka jongi ninyo ban pensitam yu kat kum ka an jong ka NDPS ban ho kat kum ka an ka bare jong BNS ka bolong ka an bathamai menta kata kade ka jumut nakaleng jonga
Comment to you, sir.
Me also first time I heard about it, and it has never been noticed. Not here, even outside also. I never heard about it that these things is happening, and it's very challenging and very dangerous also.
Right.
Especially for the people walking on the street. They are roaming in taxi. Students, they are going to schools, colleges, and all. But these things has never before come up, and that's why the NDPS Act has not mentioned anything about it, has not covered this subject matter. Other subject matter has been covered under NDPS Act for harboring, trafficking, financing. These things has been covered up under Section 27A. I told you. Supplying taking drugs from outside or exporting drugs to outside. Section 24 has covered up that things also. And the penalty has been given, like even if it will be repeated, the death penalty can be given. But this is the new challenges. We have amended our NDPS Act till 2021. Until 2021, these challenges were not there. So now these challenges have come, then again the legislature has to take note of it. Right now, we don't have any such provision to punish these types of people. But my suggestion will be here, till like we will come up with certain changes or some amendment in the NDPS Act, the state government and police department of Meghalaya can use Prevention of Detention Act for this. They should be detained. They should not be left scot-free. Otherwise, their confidence level will be high. They will think that, oh, what they will do. They can't do anything to us. Only under BNS, I don't think so it will be sufficient. Prevention of Detention Act, Meghalaya Prevention of Detention Act we have. If certain changes are required, it should be done. And the police and government should use this Prevention of Detention Act for at least for these types of people. So they will never even dare to do, even they will never deem also. That is my suggestion.
Kadang ka jingja ka batmai bat ka bapenkendit benriyo nga badia pi. Banias ngoyo kum kini ki kana. Bakibriyo ki baya ka lenti ka singkin kim long shu ki baya ka jing sha jing mut hindi ki ya tik tan ka jing siir. Wada ka yeng bishar anu kani kadang long ka eke ka batma. Bar ka bapenkendit threat na ka banta yengi ki pat barud. Kadi tik tang ka BNSS ka badang ra iki kinor ki batmai. ringkar baka NDPS Act kabalaban aji nga da barkajik pensay yang nga badya pi kaya gajik penstom kab apthap na kabanta kini kibriyo kibali ani kambas niyo kami tiyo ma'am.
Well, nakaliang kajong iru habang yung kato ka kubor kala palango yang and kala palong ru yang bangin discuss barki kena kiba di drugs ba hakanu kurukom kila jule atang na yan ba kumno kila man na te ba nakaliang jong ila atokit tikna ya kato bangilale chiki spots bangila kali ba kumno kalaban long tik yung ba ladang inject drug barabar hingi wat yukit but lada kishuya ya skuti laniya ya surak kasingking manchu inject kumto hakado kam dekam one and nginget ba kita kikna kibale ya kato ida desha kita user ne kidai kibam dero gimtip tamba lada kila inject hakata rukom kata kalong bean namar ba maya mentahi u HIV la satu yang sa palat hapo Meghalaya ngidi hakakadan ko balay an ngidan ro kanikaan kibaong namata ka HIV Act til lada kita kikna kiba inject kumta lada ini kena sa infect lang sik ilaban file case halor kini kikna kibale markaan kalong kabakam strict ka HIV Act kalong kam strict yaki but ni na syukwa ba nong kang kaway ba kini kikna kiba use users kiba menta kiba ganhi hapo Meghalaya ngimong ba ngimpo ban rem ne ban iben yeno Hindi lada ki use yela de soba nai pensapriang lani nai hikai ikiba klam pat di mo namal dakabale kumto kaway kikna kante jong yiru kim kids shocks air menta bikin ni kinli school kinum tre bani ndai nga thai kini kiba le ek tu kakapur kidan lagi para lagi men kintai so asrangi haban buram ya ka space ka jongki la ka jong ndai nomor ba kasang katharu kampat ong ya kini ki users kimpat le hadu kata ndai kiliban shim ya ka space kala jong and kibam de ki users ka space kala jong nomor ba ya ki drug users dan la ka jong ka space la ka jong ka ki bapak ya kakak kia aku mangi and ya ki general population ru dan laki jang ki space laki jang ki nang kli lani ka ki education ki jang ki tinga try kam dai kada ek babha bakin le kumta naman lada dai bakna drugs ru utrnya ubakum no ki use ngim laban tip so kalong de ya kata ngi laban no and ngi ko aban kentu ya ki kena samlaban taban daya syurum syurang banyak husiar be alert stay alert kay bha ki tiar kita kilajong and basyong kali ya nanti singkeng haban syulang alert kata hingi ko ngilaban dong mo
Tikatung ila puisyak benta ka bakur ngai kublesha pi bawan swen. I thank you Sir Joshi and I thank you Fong Samanda.
thank you
Nakalanta ka porjong pi for your endless time, for sparing this time, sir, to at least be with us and acknowledging people who wants to know about the NDPS Act and what are its enactment and how can people rely on this act, sir. Kublish bun sa yapi vet kong. Nga aji swangu yapi na markibun ki pagba ki bakwa bentip ka tray kam kumno ka ni NDPS Act. Ringkat kita nak pulit ka boran bet ka foundations ki bapher ki centers ki bapher. Te katung ngit play yo khubor ka bashay but nang ni shekmat la pidon kino ki jinya ni don kiri syam phang ha ka jala jong yi pila bane wa bade twajing moteki.